Hi, today we going to learn about the document window in Photoshop. Let's identify what's new in Photoshop document window. In real life, we are using a canvas to create our art or design. In Photoshop we also have a canvas, but we call it the Photoshop document window. First, you need to open an image into Photoshop. On the top of the document window, you can see the image name with the file type. Next to the image name, zoom level of your document. I'm selecting the zoom tool to zoom the image. You can see the zoom level changing on when zooming in and zoom out. Also, you can change the zoom level by pressing and holding spacebar plus right click. And lastly, showing the color mode of your image. In my case, color mode RGB. Next to the document window tab, you can see the rulers. But in the default setting of Photoshop not come with rulers active. So, to active rulers, go to view and select rulers. Or you can press Ctrl+R on your keyboard. Also, you can change the measurement units on our document window by right-clicking on the rulers bar. If you need to work with guidelines on your document, you can create guidelines from rulers bar. To do that, click and hold on rulers bar and drag and move rulers anywhere you want in your document. I'm creating guidelines around this object to show you how to create guidelines. When you work with printing document, you need to use these guidelines to mark the safe area and bleeding area. If you need to delete the guidelines, drag and move all lines back to ruler bar. Or just press Ctrl+R in your keyboard. All rulers will be hidden. Next, let's see how to change the color of the document window background. As an example, just say you creating wall art design. So, you can change the color the same as the wall in your document. In the blank area, right-click and select the color you want. Or you can pick any color from your image by selecting a custom color. At the bottom of the document window, you can see the status bar. You can see in the status bar also indicating the zoom level. Next to the zoom level, we can see document size. But we have more options to change here. Click the arrow to show more options. Now you can see more option to indicate here when you're working with your document. You can try each option by clicking on that. Let's see how to work with multiple images in document window. First, open one more image. Go to File and click Open. Now you can see we have one more document window open for a new image we open. Photoshop will create automatically document window for each new file or image we open. So if you need to switch each image, just click on the Document tab area in Photoshop. Drag and move the Document window tab to move each image. Now you can move the document window. Now you can easily drag and drop an image into a new document that we opened. You can see in that image in the layer panel. Now you can start work with that image. I'm deleting the layer for now. Also, you can resize the document window like this. When you resize the document, zoom level need change. Hold the spacebar plus right-click and select Fit on Screen to set the image to screen. Thank you for watching this tutorial in Photoshop 99. See you in next.